You're listening to Sounds of Africa, and I'm here with Dr. Kokofele. My name is Foluké. I'm a singer-songwriter and an artist from Toronto, and I'm here with the special honor of listing my favorite African gospel artists, both Canadian and some that are not Canadian. You're just listening to Chief Inka Farinde, and the songs we played from his tracks are Baba Modupe and also Baba Mimo Mukekweo. Now that's what I call some good, soulful African music. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, so, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. You see, that's Yoruba. It's God's language. These are songs you don't want to interrupt.
No.
But because it's radio, we don't just play music for dancing.
Right.
We want to educate people.
Absolutely.
Now, since you're a linguist and you understand that Yoruba, I don't want to put you on the spot, but what is he saying?
He's basically thanking God. He's saying, God, I thank you for everything that you've done for me, where I've been, where I am. Basically a song of praise and thanks.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm quite sure this is the kind of song that is consoling him after the passing of his father.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
And coming after Yinka's track, where are we
So
going?
this track is actually called Leap of Faith, and I worked with this artist. His name is Howard Russell, years and years and years ago, and he actually asked me to do the backup vocals for him. And the main track is actually English, but the backup vocals are in Yoruba.
Wow.
So it's a very interesting mix. So I just wanted to throw it in there, just throw a little something in there. So yeah.
We hear something in the favorite okay. This is on the Africa Life. That's how we do it. We bring you music that makes you think, make you cry, make you laugh, but more importantly, make you feel like you are somebody. And you are somebody else.